Are you ready? Brooke, are you ready? Okay. Cobalt, give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! The accelerator. You got more? You got more? See if you can get like right behind the car, get like a nice ear splitting. Oh my bird! Let's hear what the Mustang can go. Mustang, 3, 2, 1, go! Volkswagen, pull up! Come on, we're gonna put you right next to this Cobalt. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, here we go.
My man, what's your name?
Chris.
Chris, you have a stripper shirt on. Ah, oh, look, it's working. All right, perfect. All right, that will work. All right, what we're gonna do is, that's all we have. Oh, okay, we'll work with that. Let's put it behind. I want to test. Let's put it like right here. Let's see. I just want to know. I wonder if this Volkswagen can knock over an empty. Yeah, we had White Claw to do it, but we can't find our White Claw. That's okay. Hey, how many jokes do your friends give you about your license plate, the fact that it says head? All right, Volkswagen, give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoop, whoop. Connor in the car, give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! Good, go! Prelude, you know, I feel like passengers kind of get crapped on. My man, what's your name?
AIDS.
Your name is AIDS? Can we joke about AIDS yet? That's not funny yet. No, this is why I don't talk to the passengers. This is why. If you name a communicable disease, I'm gonna, whatever. What's your name?
Kyle Snell.
Kyle Snell. Okay, Kyle, in the Prelude, give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! You want to do another time? You want to rev up? You want to build some booth? All right, Kyle Snell and AIDS, go! Yes! Yes! Did you get that name?
Adopted.
I don't think I've ever hated a contestant before. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Kind of. You have dethroned one Chevrolet Compact, only to be replaced by yet another Chevrolet Compact. All right. We're going to have you rev up. Oh, look at that. Well done. Well done. In 3, 2, 1, go! You made it dance a little bit, like somebody the first day learned how to twerk. It was kind of doing it, but not really. I can't do this on the Prelude. I can't. That's okay. I could hold it there, but I enjoy the small amount of not having burns all over my hands. All right, let's hear the Prelude again. You ready, Mr. Snell? 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, that's funny in my head. Don't run into our peoples. He sounds better pulling away than in... Static. Static. Let's power bottle it. Power, yeah, hit me with the power aid. Let's hit me with the power aid, bro. We gotta have this. Yes. Oh, you're giving it some close. You're gonna bend him to the down. Okay, that's okay. You just here to make noise? Great, rev it up. Go, 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 go. That was comical. What's your car sound like? You know when a car goes ren, 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 ren? No, it literally sounds like ren, ren, ren. My man, thank you. We're gonna have you pull forward. We're gonna right there. Thank you, Civic. You know what? We're doing a front exhaust on front exhaust. I like this.
Not doing it? All right, you ready? You're gonna go first because you're the newbie. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hit it!
Are you scared of the mic, Brooke? Are you scared? All right.
Alrighty.
Get up, Tyler.
You already know what to do, don't you? Ready? Go! I know you guys, what do you think?
1, go! Dylan, I want you to know I once owned a G37 and you're a lying asshole. This is not stock, but I like it. I like it. All right, Prelude, let me hear it. Ooh, now how do we decide? You are every Miami cocaine dealer from the 80s, aren't you? I love it. I love it. No, this is cool. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. I dig it. Is what's going on under the hood?
Fully built VG.
Ooh. 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 Let's Powerade bottle this. I want to Powerade bottle this. I want to see what we got here. Look at their freaking tires on this thing. We have to pick a side too. What side did this port through first? I think it ports through the right first and it kicks open to the left. Try to remember this. Doesn't matter. We're gonna have fun. All right, Sick Twin, VG30. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1, go! This man was just attacked. He said, "I got blacker." I can say that. He said it first, but. I love it. We have cleaned out some of the oil. This is great. Can you do it again for me? Because there's a bunch of people behind you wearing white shirts, and this is gonna be hilarious. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. He spits fire. You gotta tell me when you do that. You saw the fire. All right, Prelude, you've been chilling for a while. That's not fair. That's not cool, although you've been killing it. What's like 8 cars now? Is it 8? It's God. You're killing it. But, Prelude, let me hear it in 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. I like this car. I like this car a lot. All right, let me hear it for our cocaine dealer. Let me hear it for the reigning champion, Prelude. Yes. Hey guys, to go same time. Countdown to 3.
Oh, at 173.